Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and the answers. So I welcome you on classteacher.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: warranties provide free repair and or maintenance for a specific time for a car, home or major appliance and included in the price of the product, usually provided by the manufacturer. What is the purpose of this warranty? Option A, a promise to stand behind the product. Option B, to show it is not the best quality so you need a warranty. Option C, a promise to replace the product no matter what happens. Option D, to prove you will not need a warranty. The correct answer of the question, option A, a promise to stand behind the product. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.